In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iMessages not delivered or send failure on iOS 15 or later. Experiencing issues with your iMessages can be frustrating, especially when they fail to deliver or send correctly. But don't worry, there are a few steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve this issue. Let's jump in and get your iMessages back on track. First things first, let's check your internet connection. iMessage relies on a stable internet connection to send and receive messages. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular data signal. One way to quickly confirm if your internet connection is active is to try loading a web page or using another app that requires internet access. If everything else seems to be working, we can rule out a connection issue from being the culprit. Now let's make sure that iMessage is enabled on your device. Navigate to your settings. From the home screen, tap on Settings, then scroll down or search for Messages. Ensure that the switch for iMessage is toggled to the on position. A simple oversight such as this can sometimes lead to messaging disruptions without you even realizing it. If enabling iMessage hasn't resolved the issue, it's time to try restarting your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can clear out minor glitches or software hiccups that might be interfering with message delivery. To do this, hold down the power button until you see the slide to power off option. Once off, wait a few seconds and then turn your phone back on. This brief pause can surprisingly do wonders for persistent tech gremlins. Now for a more thorough approach, consider resetting your network settings. If the previous steps didn't solve the problem, resetting your network settings can often clear out any hidden issues that could be affecting your device's connectivity and therefore its ability to send iMessages. Head to Settings, then General, scroll to the bottom to find Transfer or Reset iPhone, and from there tap on Reset, followed by selecting Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords, but it can be an effective measure to counter stubborn messaging issues that refuse to be easily fixed. By following these steps, you should see improvements in your iMessage functionality. Remember that technology isn't always perfect, but with a bit of patience and troubleshooting, most issues can be resolved. I hope these troubleshooting steps help you get back to texting your friends and family without interruption. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.